Welcome to SparkMap. This tutorial will demonstrate how to use the Mask tool in the SparkMap map room. The Mask tool allows you to highlight or call out data and areas of interest on your map. This tool is available for all SparkMap subscribers, both free and paid. The masking process has 3 steps. First, add 1 or more layers to your map. Second, activate masking. And third, define the area you want to highlight. Please note that the Mask tool is only accessible once you add a layer to a map in the map room. To add a layer to your map, click the Add Data button at the top left corner of the page. Then, type in a keyword, browse by topic, or browse by source. Once you've identified the layer or layer you would like to map, simply click the checkbox next to the layer name. Then, click Add to Map. Next, zoom in to your location of interest. You can do this using the plus and minus buttons on the left side of your screen, or you can enter a location in the search bar on the top right corner of your screen. Next, click the Tools button. A Tools pane will appear where the legend just was. Scroll down to find the section labeled Map Tools. Then select the Mask tool. Your entire map will now be covered by a mask layer. Use the drop-down to select the geographic level of the area you want to call out. For example, if you want to highlight a county, select County from the drop-down, then go to your map and click your county of interest. The selected county or counties will now appear with full color saturation, while the unclicked areas remain masked. To modify the transparency of the masked area, move the transparency slider left and right. Also note that if you want to re-mask an area, all you have to do is click the X beside that area name. Once you have finished creating your mask, you can save it to your SparkMap account. You can share it as a link on social media or via email, and you can export it as a PDF or PNG file. If you need assistance using the Mask tool or have additional questions, please reach out to us at sparkmap@missouri.edu.